Hey, what's going on? You're watching All the Way Up Crypto. I am your host, Aaron. Thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time, I usually just give you some updated news, what's on my mind, where I see things going. Hit subscribe if you like it. Hit like if you like it. All right. So what am I going to talk to you about today? DigiAssets. Saw a tweet. There's a company that's basically offering dividends at different levels by issuing DigiAssets. Now, I don't know all the details about this. Heck, it could be even a scam by some Twitter handle out there. I don't know. I got to dive a little bit deeper into it. However, if a company could issue stock to its the people who want to buy stock, they could issue it on the blockchain, like DigiAssets. Now they have that direct corporate to person interaction. DigiAssets, a lot cheaper to issue something on a blockchain than it is stock, because, well, let's face it, anybody can audit the blockchain, especially those public, open, permissionless ones. DigiByte's pretty fast. Now, let's think on a broader scale. Let's just say, hey, NASDAQ or ICE, New York Stock Exchange, any stock exchange for that matter, says, this is a good idea. Why don't we just switch everything over to DigiByte? We'll issue DigiAssets. And what if they created an exchange simply for stocks? Crypto stocks. Well, cryptographic stocks. Encrypted cryptographic stocks. Oh, man, that'd be fantastic. And then we could eliminate all this derivative BS where all this stuff gets traded back and forth and it ain't really traded, just made up BS. That would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. So, I think DigiAssets, they're providing a great opportunity. They might be the next ICO craze, right? And it's really easy to create a DigiAsset. Very easy. This is another reason why DigiByte is extremely undervalued. It's fast, it's secure, you have DigiAssets. Not to mention, did you know that DigiAssets uses Ethereum's opcodes? Those opcodes are used in smart contracts to access certain things in and out of the smart contract. So, knowing that you could issue a DigiAsset and it could interact with an Ethereum smart contract, wow, now we just had some interoperability there. And again, my friends, moving forward, interoperability is massive. If you're not going to be interoperable both on-chain, off-chain, and interchain, then I don't think you're going to make it. So, DigiByte, in my opinion, is on the right track. Absolutely 110% on the right track with what they're doing. It's, you know what else I like is it's not something, and I'm not completely bashing XRP, but I don't like the way XRP was created and how it is distributed. It's centrally controlled, centrally managed, but a kind of a decentralized network. I don't know. That's why I just kind of stay away from it. I don't trust them. Yeah. I think if you were smart, I shouldn't say this because it almost comes across like financial advice. I'm not giving you financial advice. What I will tell you is in Satoshi value, I'm not too sure DigiByte's going to get any lower. Its USD value is going to fluctuate because the Satoshi value has been hanging around somewhere between 75 and 80, 83, 85. 85, 87. I just say, let's go 72 to 87. 15 Satoshi value window, right? Not a bad time to accumulate, you know? I'm just saying. Throw $5 at it, get 500 of them. A little over 500 right now. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you because it got me thinking about, where could this go? Time will tell where it'll go, but I wouldn't be surprised with this world we're living in and the open nature of things if somebody doesn't come along and create a DigiAssets exchange or adds the ability to incorporate DigiAssets in all the exchanges that are out there right now. I don't think it would be that difficult from a program standpoint, from an exchange standpoint, because DigiByte uses Bitcoin's code. So as far as wallets are concerned, and if these exchanges are already holding DigiByte, holding DigiAssets, just have a DigiByte wallet there. It's that simple. All right. Hope you're all doing well. Happy Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Go get yourself a taco. All right. Take care and stay crypto, my friends.